Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Xampp server on Windows 11. Let's get into it and let's install Xampp server on Windows 11. Let's go to Google and in Google type in Xampp. And first search result which you will see will be on Apache Friends. This is official website. Xampp is open source software so you can use it and it is absolutely for free guys. Here click on Xampp installer and downloads for Apache Friends. Here you can see what is Xampp. Xampp is the most popular PHP development environment and Xampp is completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP, Perl. Here is download and here you can click for older versions. For example, if your computer doesn't support the latest versions, or for example if you have been already working with some PHP version and you don't want to install the latest version but you want to install that older version, click here for other versions and install that older version of Xampp. Xampp for Windows, this is the latest version. Xampp for Windows, Xampp for Linux and Xampp for OS. We will be installing Xampp for Windows, so click here on this first tab. Once you click here on this first tab, in some scenarios you might see that this is not installing straight away. So what you do, as you can see, this opened a new tab. Click back into this tab which has been opened guys, and here you will see that then only it will be installing. To continue installation, click on folder and here open downloads, and in downloads you will see this executable file which we just downloaded. Double click on it and it will start our installation. And first thing is what you will see is this important because an active user account control, this might pop up for you and might not pop up for you. If it pops up for you, this UAC, as you can see, I already created a video for it and you can do it after this installation. If you don't know how to disable this UAC, I will leave a link to that video in description of this video. And here just click OK and the installation will start. Set up Xampp, you just click here next, and here you also see what you are installing, like MySQL. This is like MariaDB, FileZilla and other different software packages. So Xampp is a collection of different softwares all in one. And just click next here and then we see where we are installing. As you see, I'm installing on C. Pay attention where you are installing your Xampp guys. I will refer to this back in my next video when I will be creating a tutorial on Xampp. And here just click next again and here you can select your language. I will leave it with English. Click next. Setup is ready to begin installing Xampp on your computer, and here click next and the installation will start. And next it will ask whether you want to allow Apache HTTP server to communicate on these networks. Here you can check mark also this private network. Here click on allow access. Now we have installed Xampp and here click finish. As you can see, do you want to start the control panel now? If it's checked, I will leave it checked, so it starts the control panel and here click finish. So let's start Apache server. As you can see here, it is working fine, it is on port 80, and let's start MySQL database. Windows Defender Firewall blocked some features of this. Here you also can click on this private network such as my home network and click allow access and you're good to go. And as you can see, your Apache server and MySQL database is running on your local environment.